Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to minimize your League of Legends. So at first, just open your game through the right client. And as you launch the game, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, all you have to do is look at the right top for that minus sign, and as you see it, just click on that option like this. And as you click it, you can see your game has been minimized. Let me show it to you guys again. So just open your game and look at the right top corner and click on this minus sign like this. So guys, that's how to minimize your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.